Frog legs. How often French people eat frogs?
Alors, monsieur, est-ce que vous avez déjà mangé des grenouilles?
Non, jamais. Je n'ai jamais goûté de grenouilles.
Bonjour Sophie.
Bonjour.
Vous avez déjà mangé des grenouilles?
Jamais, j'ai jamais mangé de cuisses de grenouille.
Bonsoir Vivien, je mange des cuisses de grenouille une fois tous les 10 ans.
Bonsoir Vivien, 2 à 3 fois par an, parce que j'aime ça.
Vivien, moi c'est jamais.
Jamais.
Les cuisses de grenouille, j'ai dû en manger une fois dans ma vie.
Not very often. Quite many people say never. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. I will show you today a very simple recipe. I was trying to buy fresh frog legs and I cannot find. No way to find. Here I found some frozen ones. Frozen legs, frozen, so I let it defreeze in the fridge 24 hours, like it must be when you use something frozen. And now we just put it in breadcrumbs, some parsley, some garlic, frog legs without skin. It will be very simple recipe à la provençale. Salt and pepper, once again some breadcrumbs, and that recipe is quite done. Very quick cooking. We will fry them because if you cook them too much it will be impossible to chew. So you need to cook them very quickly. Olive oil and butter. You can also make a deep fry. It will be quicker and a nice result like nuggets. Frogs do not have strong taste, that is why we add garlic and parsley, salt, pepper. You need to add a lot of taste. We mix in order to put breadcrumbs everywhere. In a foamy butter we put our legs. The pan very hot, and when you put, you slow down your fire a little bit to make it average. I will turn them one by one, golden color, 30 seconds each side. Voilà, very nice, golden, little bit crispy because of breadcrumbs. Now, at the last moment, garlic, parsley. You can do porcini, mushrooms, porcini. You can do shrimps. You can do little pieces of chicken breast. It's very tasty. You can do rabbit this way, and in Spanish it will be à l'ajillo. In French it will be à la provençale. You can do many things this way. Alright, dressing as quick as you can because you need to eat it hot better. Hop. Now we heat up the remaining garlic and parsley, salt, pepper, butter. We warm it. We make it foamy and it starts to be little bit golden color. And we put, when it's still foamy, on top of our legs. This is very gourmand. If it's a lot, gourmet if it's not too much. Some parsley. We add some lemon to cut the fat because it's a little bit fatty. Because acid will kill the fatty side of the dish. But we like it because it's fatty, because fat is life, and because of the taste of garlic and butter and parsley. So enjoy it, try to find frog legs, because don't wait to find them in France, it won't be so easy. You can make from your own frogs if you have a place of water in your garden, but with a clean water, in a clean biotope, clean environment, and this way you can eat your frogs, but you must have a lot of them. A very, very lot of them. Let's try. So it's like this, huh? And you chupa chups. Hop, and let only the bone. Second one. Some people will say similar to chicken, to shrimps, but it's unique taste. But what is good is this taste of, once again, of garlic, parsley and butter, hazelnut butter. Enjoy.
C'est très très bon.
Oui.
Oui,
Vraiment
très très bon.
Pas trop
Je vais
caoutchouteux.
même les finir.
Ah ben alors on va vous en préparer d'autres. Alors est-ce que vous voulez goûter les
Bah,
grenouilles?
écoutez, avec plaisir. Parce
Et avec
que-
les mains.
Et avec les mains, alors attendez.
Voilà, peut-être pas la meilleure, celle-là. Peut-être prenez celle-là plutôt, elle va être meilleure celle-là. Ouais, je pense. C'est beaucoup d'ail, beaucoup de persil. C'est un peu tôt peut-être pour le
Non.
matin, non? Ça va, c'est bon?
C'est pas trop joli de faire ça.
Non, mais c'est pas grave. il y a des
C'est
petits
délicieux.
os. C'est délicieux. Bon.
Je
ben,
regrette pas.
bon. On vous en refera. Je vais vous en laisser.